Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, this is Priyanka and you're watching me on Femina.in.
To make sheer khurma, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan and then add 7 to 8 chopped and peeled almonds, 1 tablespoon chironji, 7 to 8 chopped cashew nuts, 7 to 8 chopped pistachios and roast. Now add 1 cup of vermicelli, let it cook till the vermicelli turns a lovely golden brown color. Take it off the flame and keep aside. Now in another pan add 1 liter full fat milk, let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Add half teaspoon of green cardamom powder and boil for another 3 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon soaked raisins and let it boil for another 5 minutes. Now add saffron soaked milk to the mix and stir. Let it boil for 2 minutes. At this point, add roasted vermicelli to the mix and let it boil for 2 more minutes. Finally, add condensed milk and let it bubble for 5 minutes or until the milk turns thick. There you have it. Your sheer khurma is all ready. Serve it warm or chilled and enjoy.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Femina.